Chelsea?
Well, Secretary Cardona says what Cincinnati Public is doing with its community learning centers could be a model to other schools around the country. Every school in the district is a community learning center, and Dr. Cardona got a first-hand look at the impact of one of those centers today.
Eli, what do you want me to draw?
Pick up a stick,
Okay.
cook, or write
People?
a
Okay.
U.S. Secretary of Education Dr. Miguel Cardona says there are many barriers that keep students across the country from learning, including mental and physical health. He says Cincinnati public school educators are addressing that.
I've been traveling to 43 states. This is one of the best models I've seen in my time as Secretary of Education, in my over 2 decades of service.
Cincinnati Public has been nationally recognized for its community learning centers. These CLCs offer health services, counseling, after-school programs, career and college access services, mentoring, and more. And it's not just for students, but for families and community members too. For example, Euler School has vision, dental, and medical offices in the school. It's done through community partnerships like the Cincinnati Health Department.
We know if they are not seeing or hearing
Right.
or vision, they're not going to be able to read. They're not going to be able to come to class and learn the academics to excel.
Congressman Greg Landsman invited Dr. Cardona to Cincinnati to see these CLCs at work. A roundtable of community members and state and federal leaders discussed how this model could be adopted across the country and in other parts of Ohio.
From a state perspective, we are very much interested in how we can support and expand this work.
And leaders say it's working. Third grader Elena is part of the mentor program through Euler.
I like to read with my mentor a lot.
Dr. Cardona says federal funding for community schools has doubled, and he hopes that helps other districts provide these services.
There are so many things going on here that I would love to see across the country.
Ohio's interim state superintendent of public instruction, Dr. J. Christopher Woolard, said during that roundtable that only 60% of third graders are reading proficiently in Ohio. 1/3 of students were chronically absent last year. Just 2 reasons he says other districts across the state could really benefit from community learning centers. Megan.
Chelsea, thank you. And CPS administrators launched the district's community learning centers back in 2002. If you think your family could benefit, go to local12.com and click on this story on the homepage. There you will find all of the resources that are available to you. Chelsea and Local 12 News are committed to helping schools identify problems and find solutions. If there is a problem in your district, bring it to our attention. Leave a tip at 513-223-3029. Email local12classroomtips@gmail or use Chelsea's Facebook page.
From breaking news to feel-good stories, Local 12 has it all. Tap subscribe and hit the links to find out more.